Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Math Kings. Today we are going to look at the critical application. So with this, what you have to know, you have to make a conclusion from the information you're given. They give you a lot of things, but they actually want you to make a conclusion and select an answer. So the best trick that you use here is to have a piece of paper to work out this. Just have a scrap piece of paper to work out this. We're going to start with an example here. They're saying Pete swims faster than Bill, but is not as fast as Jan. Whilst Jean always beats Jan. Who is the fastest? So with this, you can actually solve it like this right here, slow, here fast. So they've said Pete swims faster than Bill. So Pete will be this side on the fast, and Bill will be this side of the slow. They said, but is not as fast as Jan. So that means Jan is faster. They said, whilst Jean always beats Jan. So Jean will continue to be on the faster side. So actually the person who is fastest is actually Jean. Thank you. Then we continue. They are saying the next one, John is taller than Mary. And they're saying Jackie is taller than John. So they say asking who is the tallest. So it's still the same. Right here short and here tall. So they've said John is taller than Mary. So Mary will be here and John will be here. And they're saying Jackie is taller than John. So Jackie will continue on the tall side. And they're asking who is the tallest. It will be Jackie, based on what we are seeing here. Next, they are showing us that Chris and Peter play football, but John and Andy play basketball. They're saying Chris and Andy play tennis. Then they're asking us who plays football and tennis, who does this and who does that. Are we together? So we can call. We start, it's very simple here. We start with, we can actually make here, we have football. They've said Chris and Peter. You can put here Chris and Peter play football. Or let's put it down here. It will be simple. If we put football here. So they've said Chris and Peter play football. Then they've said but John and Andy play basketball. So if we are to go to basketball, we have John and Andy play basketball. Then they have said Chris and Andy play tennis. So if this is tennis, we have Chris and Andy play tennis. So as I've said, who plays football and tennis? So we come football, intersection, tennis. So who plays football and tennis at the same time? We are saying we have Chris here and Chris here. So the answer is Chris because he's in both football and tennis. So this will be the answer. And then they are saying who plays tennis and basketball. We want to say tennis, intersection, basketball. So this is tennis, this is basketball. Which name appears in both? We are seeing Andy appears in both. So the answer here is Andy. So Andy is the answer. Thank you.